we knew from the beginning, or I knew from the beginning, what they expected, and so my I would tailor my audience to them. And now that was later on when after I had departed with Charlie and my brother and I had started our own company. But that you sort of tailor them to fit the need or the requirements of the producer, who is really the last word.
Well, for instance, on MASH, what did the producers want out of this?
Originally, uh, Yeltsin didn't want anything at all. He didn't want a laugh track, and the network told him they would air the show only if he had a laugh track. And we started out with almost a grudging producer and had to grow on him a bit and on the audience a bit. And so there were some good, great comedy lines. It was easy to play. And then in the serious parts or in comedy in the operating room, for example, you would tone way back and play it just in a chuckling area. And then at least one show a season, and I can remember a couple of seasons where they had two where they didn't have any laughs at all. It was a no laugh show, very serious or somber or message.